Once you learn how to make this easy, delicious applesauce, you will never purchase store-bought applesauce ever again. Welcome to Rice Cake Creations. I'm Sarah, and today we're making a homemade applesauce. Let's get started. I was preparing a batch of applesauce and thought it would be a good idea to show you how easy it is to make. Prepare and measure all of your ingredients ready to get started. Peel, core and chop all of your apples. Place the apples and then all of your other ingredients into a pot. The great thing about making your own applesauce is that you can adjust the sugar levels and add as much or as little as you want to. Just make sure that if you take sugar out, you may need to add a little bit more water in. Literally allow it to simmer and cook for about 15 minutes until they are tender and soft. Once cooked, pour it into a bowl and then either use a fork, now this may take a bit longer to do but it is possible, or if you have a stick blender or an ordinary rotary blender, then place it into that and then pulse it down until it's smooth and thick. And that's it, your applesauce is ready to be stored into your clean, sterilised jars and then stored into the fridge. Now you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 months. You can also put it in the freezer as well if it's wrapped up tightly, and it can be left in the freezer up to 2 years. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. There are so many ways that you could use this applesauce, like this one that I've made at the end here, which is an apple cake with almond and also the applesauce with chantilly cream. That recipe will be coming soon, so keep watching. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.